Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Heidi Agra. I have 2 children. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Heidi. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, I'm patient, humble, loyal, and hardworking.
So since you're already a mother, can you tell me how to take care of the children?
I take care of children. I will give them food, give vitamins, playing with them, and take care as my own children.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because this is my job to my family, and I promise to you to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Heidi, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.